All right, boys and girls, you just heard the story about the little engine that could, okay? So here is my version of the little engine that could, okay? And I used some simple shapes to draw my little engine and the cars behind it. Okay, this one's painted. Today you're just gonna draw. Okay, so you're gonna get a sheet of paper. Your name is on the back in yellow, and remember, you can either trace over your name with a crayon, or you can just write it underneath it so it matches, okay? So I let you pick, okay? All right, on the front of this, we're gonna go ahead and use a little shape. And this is it kind of looks like the shape of a shoe, okay? So you're gonna hold it down, and you don't wanna put it in the middle, otherwise you won't have enough room for your train cars, okay? So I'm gonna hold it down. You can use whatever color crayon you want, and then you're gonna trace around it. Okay, now make sure when you pull it away, is that finished? No, I don't think that's finished. So we got to make sure, because otherwise it's just a line. So we got to hold it back down and make sure it is closed off. Okay, all right. So now I have my little shape of my engine, and then I want to add some more shapes to make it look more like a train. So I'm going to add an eye. I'm going to give her a smile, and then we're going to add some semicircles to add the wheels. And then if I make a straight line and a rectangle, we're going to be able to add the cars. Straight line, add a rectangle for the car, semicircle. Now to make your train tracks, I got to make a line that goes all the way across, a straight line, and I make sure it goes all the way from one end to the other. And then I'm going to go ahead and make the other side of the train track. And then I'm going to make some straight lines that touch both sides and go all the way across. So that makes the train track, okay? So once you have that drawn, if you want to add the things that were in the train cars, you could. You could add a little bear, because there was a cute little bear inside the car for all the good little boys and girls. Okay, and then the last thing you want to do is you're going to use a white crayon. And you're going to press down so hard that when you press down, you're going to get what I call cookie crumbs. Okay, now you can't see those lines, but you can see the cookie crumbs. They're little bits of crayon, okay? So once you're done drawing your train, and maybe you add some things in your actual car, and you add those with the white crayons for the steam, for the engine, then you're finished. Now you can put that at the end of your table, and then you are allowed to pick. All right, and that's it.